today I'm going to unbox the February fab bag. So I just received a February fab bag today in the morning, and now it is in the evening, and I'm going to unbox it with you guys. So this is the box and I'm going to open it now. As soon as I open it, I see this product lying around in the box. This is the purple Essentionatural milk and honey shower gel. This is a 100 ml pack. So this is basically a shower gel with all the benefits of milk and milk protein. I have to give it a try and let you know how it works for my skin. I am not really a big fan of shower gels. I prefer soaps more, but sometimes I like to use shower gels on my body because they smell the best. And now let's move on to the bag, which is this. So this month's February fab bag is a black faux leather type of a bag. The material looks like faux leather, but I am not sure of it. And they have all the hearts going on because it's February and Valentine's Day is like 2 weeks later. Just opened it and here are the products. I'm going to pick out randomly as usual. First I can see is this thing. This is the Tvakh White Tea Rose Deep Pore Cleansing Exfoliating Scrub for normal to medium oily skin type. That's me. I have a very oily T-zone, so I'm going to give this a try. I'm really excited about it. Smells really nice, and this is like a cream based exfoliator. Next we have the bath salt by Purple Essentionatural. So we have these two products. Both of them I think are full size. Both of them are from Essentionaturals. So Purple Essentionaturals, I have never heard about this brand. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not, but I really like to explore new brands and try new products, so I would love to try it out. So this is a bath salt. I've never tried a bath salt ever in my life, so this one is the first one that I'm going to try. This is a very hard texture. Let me know in the comments if you have ever used a bath salt, and just let me know how to use it, although they have written the description and details here. But I just want to know from you, have you ever used a bath salt? Just let me know in the comments. Next is this. I think this is a nail paint. So I believe this is a matte nail paint because they have the frosted glass finish. The brand name is Major Crush by Ayushi. Never heard about this brand. They say that this is a fast dry nail lacquer. They have a number, they don't have a shade name. So the number is 104. This is a deep blue nail paint. Although I like the color blue a lot. Blue is my favorite color, but a blue nail paint is just not my thing. The next item is another full-size product. I know what the product is because I have selected it myself, the shade. So this is a foundation. Now this is my first time receiving a foundation in a subscription box. So this is the NELF Stay Foundation, 24-hour Stay Foundation. This is a high definition foundation and it has SPF 15, which is great. This foundation is priced at rupees 800. And in case you were wondering, I am in the shade Honey Gold 02, although I'm not sure if this is my shade. Let me try. Okay, so this is the foundation. This is, I think, a little bit darker for my skin tone, but it will work. I can make it work. I'm really looking forward to try this one, and if you want to review from me on this product, just let me know in the comments. I can see another thing. So this is the Acne's clarifying face wash. If you checked out my previous fab bag unboxing, then you would know that I had received it previously in that fab bag, in January fab bag. This is a clarifying face wash. This is a whitening effect face wash. I'm not really a big fan of whitening face washes or face creams, but I will still give it a try. They have sent me a pamphlet for the Acne's brand, like what products they have got and all. And these are the cards, the usual cards, and my bag is empty, as you can see. I am quite impressed with the products they have sent me in this month's fab bag. So I really wished if they have sent a lipstick instead of a foundation, because picking out your perfect shade based on a website is not really cool for me, because I always get the wrong shade. However, I got like almost a perfect shade for my face, but I wish they had included anything else like a full-size blush or a lipstick instead of a foundation. So that's my review of this month's fab bag. I really like that they have focused on everything like skin, bath, your body and your face, like makeup and cosmetics. If you received your fab bag for this month, just let me know what products you got. I will leave all the details about fab bag, like the price, their plans and everything, like always, in the description box. So don't forget to check out the description box. I will see you in my next video. Till then, you guys be happy and keep smiling.